Welcome to Turkey.
We are in Ephesus, which is an ancient Roman city, only second to Rome, but it's in the south coast of Izmir and is very beautiful, well preserved, better than the Athens Acropolis. It's a recommended must-do.
Here we have the theatre, also known as the Odeon. It was built around 150 AD. This Odeon was mostly used for intimate events, such as plays, but according to city records, it also housed the aristocrats for the council meetings every Thursday. As we walk through these ancient ruins, one of my favourite facts about it is they've produced some of the great Greek philosophers, such as Heraclitus. You might know his famous saying. Fellas, you know Heraclitus, one of his famous sayings?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Live life, love life.
The only constant is change.
He said that?
So this was part of the great Ionian world, and they inspired the ancient Greek they had over on the other side of the pond, and they did speak Greek, but with an Ionian accent.
David, you know that's an old water fountain?
Is it?
Yeah.
When was it built?
I don't know.
What? Oh, they reckon that John fella come here, and this is where he lived before they sent him away to go work on a rock quarry. And when he was working on the rock quarry, he wrote the Book of Revelations. I don't know if you know that one. Do you know the Book of Revelations?
For the heathens the non-heathens out there, I think the John guy that he's referring to is actually Saint John the Baptist.
You don't know the Book of Revelations?
No.
Saint John is the one of the 12 apostles. I thought you were a Christian.
Whoa, here?
Saint John.
Saint John? Oh, I mean,
You know the Book of Revelations in the Bible?
I not understand, sorry.
Favela.
Look in the video.
Here we have the remnants of the old fountain, while the wealthy citizens here had their private water coming straight to their houses. This was the fountain that everybody else in the city used. We are now entering the public bathhouse. So there was all different rooms here for different purposes. First room you'd have would be the changing room. After that you would go into the steam room where you'd work up a sweat. And finally the next room was where you'd jump into the cold water of the bath. Oh look, there's an ancient Greek having a bath now.
Oh, nice to see you.
How is it growing up around the Alexander the Great?
It's hard to live up to a shadow, especially if you want to be a general.
Oh wow.
A general, if you want to be a conqueror, it's really hard to live up to Alexander's shadow. But just do our best, I guess, you know.
Wow.
So in the ancient Roman times, pissing in public is common. And this is how they did it. You could either sit down, you could stand up, but it all drains out on the sewage and it goes to the river. But now, unfortunately, you can't use it as a public toilet, obviously because there's a barrier. But if you are pressed for time and space in full lira, it's always there for you to use.
And this was because most of the locals couldn't afford their own private bathroom, so they'd do it here in public. And this place used to be able to seat up to 40 people, so you could imagine what kind of party that would have been.
So we're currently touring the ancient city of Ephesus, but I ran to my favela friend. What's your name? Where are you from?
Gustavo, I'm from favelas in Brazil. I'm born in Jardim Angela, São Paulo. Let's see my house now. Make one tour with my house,
Oh,
yeah?
thank you.
It's not very good, sorry, but okay, for see, yeah? This is my bed. Okay, I sleep in here, very good. Have one good time, don't take sunny. Very good, I sleep in here. This is my bathroom. Yeah, I use it more 100 persons.
Oh no.
Here is very good. I need to make one other video in my bathroom. This is my bathroom. I make food here. Yeah, I eat rocks because I don't have food. That rocks is very good. Yeah, this salt rock and the candy rocks.
Yeah.
Very good for out. Yeah, and this is my pictures.
Oh man.
My quadros. Yeah, the name of my mother, and this is the
Buceta.
no. Yeah, hermanos, suave. This is the dealers, the drug dealers. Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, this dealer died yesterday.
Oh, Jesus Christ,
very
man.
very sad. Yeah, but have one new dealer now. Yeah, yeah.
Wait, I have a question. How do you protect yourself in the favela? Like, if the police come, you know?
Yeah. Oh, how I protect?
Yeah, where's the
Yeah.
gun room, something, you know?
I have one gun. Yeah, I can't show in the
Okay.
video because I have problems from in Brazil. But
Yeah.
I have the guns, of course. Yeah.
What model of gun? What kind of gun? Like machine gun, automatic?
I have one AK.
AK-47?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they small. Yeah, for my easy delivery for the places. Yeah, one small. More. I am simple person. I have one AK.
Just one?
Yeah. Only for protection myself.
Oh. Well, Mano, man, thank you so much for the tour, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Together, my friend. Tamo junto.
Wait, what's this,
Bye
man?
for everyone in my sofa here. And bye. I hope you like my house. Yeah, or simple house, but we'll be happy in this place. Yeah.
That's good, man. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
See you later, bro.
Bye.
We are in the Library of Celsus.
This was the third largest library of the ancient world, housing, I think, some 12,000 volumes.
A lot of books to read. You didn't tell me your house is next to this, bro.
Oh fuck. My English died when you start in the camera.
And you might be guessing, how did I get this place to myself? No one around me, just me in the ruins and us. You might be thinking this might be a private tour, but no. The best time to come is around sunset time, closer to the closing time, which is 7:30 between April and October. So everyone's already left. The sun's coming down, and you get this whole place to yourself. 7:30, Ephesus complex is closed, and the main theater is closed as well due to restoration.
Which is a bit of a shame. You can't go in there at all. Currently, June, so hopefully by the time you watch this and you get over here, it'll all be finished. But that's the great theatre. We saw the other one earlier that housed 1,500. This one hosts 25,000.
Wow.
And it has different levels of seating. The front was obviously a lot nicer, made of pure marble for the emperor and the guests. Then we had the middle class rows, and finally up the top was lower class and foreigners. So even back in ancient times, there was a little bit of discrimination against the foreigners out in these parts.
Not a lot has changed in that opinion. But on that note, we are ending our tour here of Ephesus. It is its closing time. So I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for our favela video with Gustavo that's coming in maybe 2 years.
I'm not Brazilian, I'm from favela.